It is windows, doors, decks, roofing, siding. We've done a lot of smaller piece work. So like, I don't know why, but we've had about like 17 jobs since the beginning of the year that are just front doors being replaced in the Bucks County, Montgomery County, Burlington County area. So that just seems to be something that people want to freshen up their house, the look of it. Front doors are a big one that we've been doing a lot of. We'll come in and do replacement on bay windows or like a full window. We're not replacing the individual, like if you just had a broken window and you just wanted to replace the glass, we're not doing the glass. We're doing the frame, replacing the window, taking it out. If it was a leak, if it's just old, a little drafty, that's what we're doing.
How about additions?
We don't do additions. That would be a new build material type of stuff. So we only think more renovation in our world. It's just exterior renovations.
Concrete flatwork.